Hi, I'm Pranav, a developer advocate here at Thales, and today I'll show you how to deploy CipherTrust Manager on Google Cloud Platform using a Terraform configuration. CipherTrust Manager is a key management solution that will speed up application development times at your organizations by lifting the burden of data security off your developer shoulders. So let's dive right in. There are three steps to this deployment. First, we will clone the repository that contains the Terraform configurations. Then we will initialize the Terraform modules and finally deploy it and set it up. So first, go to this GitHub repository, which contains the necessary Terraform files required for this deployment. In the GitHub repository, you want to click on Terraform in the README, and then the link to the Google Cloud Platform in the README. Over here, you'll see a directory with the necessary Terraform files that are required for this deployment. First, we want to clone the repository. Once we do that, we want to go into the GCP folder, which contains the Terraform files. And now you want to initialize the gcloud or the Google Cloud Platform CLI. You can do this by running gcloud init, but I've already done this before in hand. And then finally, I initialize the Terraform modules. And this will install the required Terraform modules for this deployment. Then all I need to run is Terraform apply. And I need to enter the gcloud ID. The gcloud ID is sort of the project ID you're sort of working in. So for me, it is Thales CM demos, and that should automatically start the deployment process. Now it'll ask you to verify these resources, and in summary, all it's doing is deploying a Google Compute instance with the CipherTrust Manager Community Edition marketplace image. So all I can do is type yes and just wait for it to deploy, and it should be done in just a few. Once that's been deployed, you should see three outputs in your terminal. One is the public IP address of the virtual machine that's been deployed. And second is the SSH public key, which was just generated and is used for administrative tasks on CipherTrust Manager. So first we're going to copy the IP address, open it in my browser by typing https:// and 2 slashes, and then put the IP address. Now you're going to get a warning, and that's because there are no SSL certificates generated yet for an IP address, but we can solve this later. So I'm just going to hit on advanced and proceed with the unsafe. And now we'll be greeted with a screen where we need to put the SSH public key that we just generated. We can just copy this from the terminal and paste this in. And now we will have to put in the default username and password for CipherTrust Manager, which is admin for username and admin for password. Now we click on login. And now we're prompted to change our password to a more secure password. So I'm gonna enter a more secure password, and obviously use a long password to keep it more secure. And now we log in with our new password and the same username of admin. And once we do that, we should be logged in to